Hello everyone, so we're now gonna start another video editing, just a basic one for my ZEPETO TikTok. So here is the Kinemaster, and first step is you're gonna click this and then you're gonna choose aspect ratio. So we're gonna choose this middle one, 9/16, and then we're gonna do first the background. So click the media and then click on photo. If you have a photo on your album, you can choose any photo that suits your style, but for now I'm just gonna teach a basic one, so I'm gonna go here. So for example, we're gonna click this, and then another one for the transformation is this. So once you're done, just click on check and then click on the layer and then add media. For the video, click on all, and then I do have here the green screen, ZEPETO video, and you want to edit it, you just need to make it green. The background is green. You cannot see the background yet, so we're gonna click on chroma key and just enable it, and then there you go, the background is there. Let's see, so that is it. Now go left and right, and then after this point you're gonna trim, gonna drag it, and then we're gonna add a new layer, which is the transformation, which is you already change your clothes on ZEPETO. So okay, just drag it out and then chroma key, enable, and okay, so it's not yet completed here. This is the sample. It's kind of slow, so we're gonna crop again. There you go. Let's see it. There. Once it's saved, since there's no music, I'm not on premium on Kinemaster, I go here to Vita, which is super friendly. So you just click on the add button and then you click on the video and then add music and then go to extract, and then I already saved the video. So just turn up the music here. You want to play. So that's it. So if you don't want the Kinemaster to show there at the top, that's basically easy. You just need to like zoom the photo, or you can crop it. There you go. So just if you want to remove the Kinemaster, is you're gonna like drag. That's a little secret. You've got to sing along. Don't you know? You have your video and you can upload it to